So we're looking at sketching a scatter plot and a line or curve of best fit for each situation. So if you were graphing some data and it was showing a weak linear relationship, it's linear, but it's very weak. What would it look like?
Straight line.
No. So this would be strong, right? This would be a very strong relationship. Okay, I can draw a line of best fit like that. That's linear. And the points are really close together. That would be a very strong relationship. We're trying to draw a line of best fit, which is showing the linear part of it. Okay, a weak relationship. Let's pretend this is my line. A weak relationship, would the points be close to the line or far away from the line?
Far.
So it would look something like this maybe. Okay, this is a weak linear relationship. This is a strong linear relationship. How about no relationship?
Straight.
No relationship?
No relationship. No.
Points are random. Here,
They're all over the place.
that's a scatter plot, that's weak. I mean, sorry, not weak. No relationship. Doesn't have any sort of relationship. The pattern looks random.
The last one's not linear.
And they are scattered. Exactly. Scattered points. Okay? For the weak linear relationship, the points on the scatter plot are not close together. So this is not close together. So I'll say points are not close together. That's a weak relationship. But if it's strong, the points are close together. I'm not going to write it. You can write it yourself. Points are very close together. So we're looking at data and we're looking at a line of best fit. Let's define what a line of best fit is. Okay, I want everyone to copy this down in their book. And look at which line is the better line of best fit. And I want people to raise their hand. Do you think it's pink? Okay, I'm going to call this pink. Or we'll call this blue. Raise your hand if you think the blue line is the better line of best fit. Is it as close to as many points as possible? No. The pink line. Correct, pink. For B, pink or blue? Thumbs up for pink, thumbs down for blue. Which line is better? Pink or blue?
Pink.
Pink is correct. It passes through as many points as possible and it's close to the majority of the points. Okay, C, pink, thumbs up, blue, thumbs down. Excellent. Blue follows a trend. This is a downward trend. The pink line is just kind of drawn horizontally. It's horrible. Okay, the last one. This one's a little tougher. Pink, thumbs up, blue, thumbs down. Correct, blue. A line of best fit is a straight line that represents a trend in the scatter plot. So like we looked at, if there is a bunch of data here, I'm going to draw a line to represent this data. Now, this is very important. It must pass through as many points as possible with about half the points above and half below. So look here. I would draw a line. Everyone look here for a second. I'll give you time to copy. That goes, through as many points as possible with about half the points above the line and half the points below the line. That's a good line of best fit. If I did this, there's my data. If I drew my line over here, is that a good line of best fit? No, it's not representing the data. My pink line represents the data. It should be in between as many points as possible. It wants to be as close to the points as possible, okay? This pink line is the line of best fit. The blue line is not good. That's not what you want to do, okay? Because that does not represent the trend. The trend is upward. The pink line is showing the trend. Okay, does that make sense? Okay, so what we're doing here is we're going to state whether each scatter plot is linear or nonlinear or neither. And then you're going to draw a line or curve of best fit. So for A, would you say that's linear or non-linear? Non-linear. We would draw a curve of best fit. It curves. It's not a straight line. Okay, that's not a good curve. Hold on, like that. Is B linear or non-linear? That's a good curve. Is that a good line of best fit that I drew?
Yeah, linear.
Is C linear, non-linear, or neither? No data. For number 2, do you think this person should have drawn a line or should it have been a curve? Curve. So that is not a good line. It should have been like that. How about for number 2B? Does this show the trend in the data? No. It should have drawn a line like that, okay? And what about for C? I would say it should look something like that, maybe, or maybe no relationship.